Today we'll start new chapter, that is chapter 12, Algebraic Expressions. Okay, now before we proceed with the exercise, let me just give you some introduction on expression. What is expression? Algebraic expression. Now, algebraic expression is a combination of three things. Okay, that is variable, constant term, and arithmetic operations. Now let's begin with the constant term. All the numerical values, all the numbers will be considered as a constant term because it does not change. As 1, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers will be considered as constant terms. Now what are variables? Variables will be considered as letters. Suppose X, Y, Z, and this all letters represents a particular number, but it can represent any number. So that is the reason it has a variable value. That is, X does not only represent 1, but it can represent any number. So that is the reason these are all variable values. Okay, so X, Y, Z, A, B, C, these are all variables because each variable represents a number. But which number, that you have to find it out. Okay, well, the more we grow up with the chapter, okay, the more we proceed with the chapter, we'll understand how to find out the value of variables and all. Okay, but remember that variables represents a constant term, that is a number. Okay, now what is arithmetic operation? Now arithmetic operation means plus, minus, into, division. These are all arithmetic operations. With this sign only we do some operation. Okay, that will we do some solutions. Now if we combine these three things together, then we form an algebraic expression. Suppose 2 plus x, you see 2 is a constant term, variable is x, and plus is arithmetic expression. This is one algebraic expression. 5 times x, okay, 5x means 5 into x, so it could be written in both the ways. So if only 5x is written, it means 5 into x. Okay, suppose 6x plus 3. Now you see the combination of this and this also. Okay, 6x means 6 into x plus 3. Okay, so see, arithmetic operations is also there, constant term is also there, and variable term is also there. Fine, x plus y, this is also, it's not necessary that now you will find that, sir, there is no constant term out here. Okay, no problem. But there has to be it is not necessary that every time there has to be a combination of three things only. Okay, so it could be a combination of one number also. That is 2 is also an algebraic expression. Okay, that is 2x is also a algebraic expression. 2x plus y is also an algebraic expression. Okay, so a combination, an expression which is a combination of variable, constant term, and arithmetic operation is termed as algebraic expressions. Okay, now I hope you have understood what is constant term, variable term, and arithmetic operation. Now let's move on to the first exercise, that is exercise 12.1. Now in exercise 12.1 we'll do the first sum that is exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1, question number 1. We have many questions, that is we have to write the algebraic expression. They have written some statement, that is subtraction of z from y, means we have to subtract z from y. So what is the algebraic expression? Y we have to write first, so z is subtracted from y. So this is the answer of the first statement. So this is one algebraic expression, 2 variable, and this is arithmetic operation. Now what is number 2? 1/2 of the sum of numbers 1/2. Okay, 1/2 means, I will say what is meaning of 1/2. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. Fine. So 1/2 means 1 by 2. Of means of sum of x plus y. Okay, so this is a solution. So you can write this in this form also, x plus y, or in this way also, x plus y by 2. Any form you want. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 2. Now let's do sum number 3. So sum number 3 is the number z multiplied by itself. The number z multiplied by itself. So if you multiply z with z, that is number z multiplied by itself only, that is z into z. Okay, so answer would be z to the power 2. So how many z are there? 2. So that is the reason I have written z square. So this is the solution of sum number 3. So let's see sum number 4. Sum number 4. Sum number 4 is 1/4 of the product of number p and q. 1/4 of the product, that is 1/4 of the product p and q. Okay, so we can write that is pq. So this could be written as pq by 4. So 1/4 of the product p and q. So p into q is pq, and if you multiply pq with 1, what is the answer? Pq only, and this is carrying 1 as a denominator, so 4 ones are 4. So this is the answer. Question number 6. Number of 5 added to means number 5 added to 3 times the product of the number m and n. Okay, so number 5 is added to 3 times means 3 into 3 times the product of m into n. 3 times means into the product of m and n means m into n. So the required answer will be 5 plus 3mn. If you multiply this all 3 together, so the answer will be 3m. Okay, this is not 5, this is 6. Okay, now let's do number 7. Number 7 is product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. That is, the product of y and z need to be subtracted from 10. When from 10 is there, you have to write 10 at first. What you have to subtract from 10? The product of y and z. The product of y and z. Okay, so the answer is 10 minus yz. So question number 5 and 8 I have not done. So you all have to do it on yourself. Fine. So this is the only assignment I am giving it for today. That question number 1 all you have to do of exercise 12.1. Very, very easy, students. Okay. Thank you and take care, all of you.